Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I am about to show you guys how I make this juiciest, moistest pork chop you'll ever taste it in your entire life. I've never tasted this pork chop before. I've tried this new method and it works. If you're interested, keep on watching and let's go. Alrighty, to get started, you guys already know the drill. I am about to clean my pork chops. I am using lime, or you can use lemon or vinegar. Now, for those who said, do you have to clean your meat? Yes, you do. Well, you don't have to, but for me, it's a must. I am just going to rub the lime all over it, and then I am about to use some room temperature water. Just pour it and rinse it off, okay? Now, here's your seasoning. I am using Island Vibe seasoning, ground black pepper, herb blend, and some salt. Make sure you pat dry your pork chops so we don't have any water on it, because we don't want to boil these under the oven. Okay, we want to bake them. We want to have a nice crust. So yeah, once you add your pork chop on there, mix your spices together, and then we're going to add the spices on the meat. Now, the key, use your finger to pat down these spices. You need to make sure you rub it all over your pork chop. This is how you will get the nice flavor, the spice blend flavor in there. It's just gonna sink in the meat and give you that nice flavor all over, well, basically every bite. Just use your hands. Your hands is the best tool. And also be sure to flip it over. Do the same thing you did for the, the other side. Now, to keep this pork chop very moist and juicy, I know pork chops are usually dry. What I am going to use to keep the moisture in, I am using oil, or you can use melted butter. I am going to pat some oil on top. Just rub a little bit of oil. I am using peanut oil. You can use whatever flavor oil you have in hand. Just pat it on there. Do the same thing for the other side. And I am going to bake this on 350 for 20 minutes. Then I am going to reset my timer to 10 minutes on boil so I can have that nice crispy. You see this? Do you see this? This is what you're looking for. Just let it get crispy on the outside, but once you cut the inside, it will be juicy. Now, I am using my favorite barbecue. It is the sweet chili. I have to get the name right. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. But this is the one I'm using. You can use whatever you like. And I did put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes or longer if you want, maybe 7 to 10. This is how it comes out. Yes, honey. It's just so good and juicy. I just love me some juicy meat. I just hate dry food. That's why I don't like baked turkey. It's too dry for my liking. But this is it. Hopefully you guys like it. Be sure to give the video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.